Are you tired of seeing your hair fall every time you comb? Do you dream of strong, thick, and shiny hair, but nothing seems to work? What if I told you that one simple kitchen ingredient, the onion, could completely transform your hair health? Stay with me, because today we're unlocking the secret power of onion juice for extreme hair growth. Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to our health channel, your trusted place for natural, simple, and effective health solutions. Today, we're diving deep into something that has helped thousands of people regain their confidence in beauty: onion juice for hair growth and hair loss control. Loss can be more than just a physical issue. It affects how we feel, how we see ourselves, and even how confident we are when we step outside. But here's the good news. Nature always gives us answers, and onion juice is one of its most powerful gifts for your hair. Let's start by understanding why onion juice works so effectively. Onions are rich in sulfur, a mineral that our hair absolutely loves. Sulfur is known as the beauty mineral. It boosts collagen production, strengthens hair follicles, and improves blood circulation to the scalp. When blood flow increases, more nutrients reach your hair roots, helping new hair grow faster and stronger. Onions also contain antioxidants like flavonoids and quercetin, which protect the scalp from free radical damage, one of the leading causes of hair thinning and graying. If that's not enough, the antibacterial and antifungal properties of onion juice help cleanse your scalp, preventing dandruff, infections, and blocked hair follicles, all of which can slow down hair growth. So yes, it's not a myth. Onion juice really works. Science supports it, tradition trusts it, and now it's your turn to try it. If you're losing hair because of stress, poor nutrition, or chemical-based hair products, onion juice can help bring balance back. Here's what it does. 1. Strengthens the roots by nourishing hair follicles with minerals and antioxidants. 2. Improves blood circulation, more oxygen and nutrients reach your scalp. 3. Reduces breakage by improving elasticity and structure of hair strands. 4. Fights scalp infections, keeping your scalp clean and healthy. 5. Encourages new growth. Some people even notice baby hairs appearing after a few weeks of use. You don't need expensive treatments or fancy shampoos. Sometimes the best cure is already in your kitchen. Now let's talk about how to use it effectively. Step 1. Extract the juice. Peel 2 to 3 medium-sized onions, cut them into small pieces, and blend them. Then strain the juice using a clean cloth or fine sieve. Step 2. Apply to scalp. Dip a cotton ball, or use your fingers to apply the juice directly to your scalp. Gently massage in circular motions for about 5 minutes to boost blood flow. Step 3. Leave it on. Keep it on for 30 to 45 minutes. If you can tolerate the smell, even up to an hour is great. Step 4. Rinse and wash. Rinse with a mild shampoo and warm water. Use a natural or sulfate-free shampoo to avoid irritation. Frequency. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you should begin noticing less hair fall and smoother, thicker hair. Now I know what you're thinking, what about the smell? Yes, onion juice does have a strong odor. But don't worry, here are some simple tricks. 1. Add a few drops of lemon juice or rose water to the onion juice. 2. Mix a little aloe vera gel for extra soothing and shine. 3. Or simply rinse afterward with apple cider vinegar. It neutralizes the smell instantly. For even more nourishment, try combining onion juice with castor oil for intense growth, coconut oil for hydration, or ginger juice for stronger roots. Experiment to find what your hair loves most. Now let's talk about real results. Onion juice is powerful, but it's not magic overnight. Consistency is the key. Your hair follicles need time to heal, strengthen, and grow new strands. Most people start to see visible improvement in 4 to 6 weeks. Remember, healthy hair growth is a journey, not a one-day miracle. Combine onion juice treatment with a balanced diet full of proteins, vitamins, and minerals, enough sleep and hydration, and avoiding harsh hair products or excessive heat. Your body works in harmony. When you take care of your health, your hair naturally shines. I want to remind you, hair loss is not the end of beauty. It's a sign your body needs care. We often try to fix everything from the outside, but healing truly starts from within. Your hair tells the story of your health, your nutrition, and your stress levels. When you nurture yourself, your body, mind, and heart, your hair begins to grow back with strength and life. Believe in natural remedies. Trust your body's power to heal, and give it the love and patience it deserves. Before you begin, a quick note. Always do a patch test on your skin before applying onion juice to your scalp. Some people may experience mild irritation or redness. If you feel burning or itching, rinse immediately. Keep onion juice away from your eyes. Natural doesn't mean unsafe. It means you use it wisely. My dear friends, your hair is part of your identity, your confidence, and your beauty. But never forget, your true beauty shines from within. If you stay patient, consistent, and kind to yourself, your body will reward you with strength, glow, and health, both inside and out. So start today. Take that first step toward natural healing. Use onion juice with love, stay positive, and watch your hair come back stronger than ever. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and keep believing in yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural health and beauty tips every week. Together, we'll keep learning, healing, and growing naturally.